less $1,000 a week. Day 312. Vaccine patent. Today is the 312th day of the project. Wednesday, May 5th, 2021. Let's look at the market cap. All four companies are down. Nasdaq is down by 0.37%. S&P is up by 0.07%. Dow is up by 0.29%. Microsoft is down by 0.53%. Apple is up by 0.2%. Experts expected the private payrolls to rise over 850,000 in April, but it came in less than expected. U.S. service sector activity unexpectedly declined in April. There was pricing pressure for goods and services. Biden administration announced that it supports waiving patent protection for COVID vaccine to ramp up the production globally. Moderna saw positive result for booster shots as well. Today, I bought 0.8 Microsoft shares. My total gain is $7,353.80. Let's see how the market moves tomorrow. Please subscribe and like this video. I will see you on the next episode.